Good morning students. Today we will discuss about boundary value problems. We know that a differential equation of order n will have n arbitrary constants in its general solutions. To solve the differential equation of order n, we need n conditions. Initial value problems are those whose boundary conditions are specified at a single point, which is known as initial point. On the other hand, if the boundary conditions are specified at two endpoints, then that boundary value problem is known as 2-point boundary value problem. Otherwise, if the boundary conditions are given at n different points, then that boundary value problem is known as a boundary value problem of order n. Furthermore, if a differential equation has a singularity, then the boundary conditions may be imposed on singular points. If a differential equation with boundary conditions are homogeneous, then those boundary value problems are known as eigenvalue problems. So first of all, we consider the 2-point boundary value problem. Consider the following boundary value problem. We consider the following boundary value problem. This is y double dash equals to f y x. This is y dash. X belongs to in the closed interval a comma b with the boundary conditions when x equal to a, suppose y equal to a, and when x equal to b, suppose y is b, or when x equal to a, suppose y dash is a, and when x dash equal to b, then y dash equal to b. Or this condition may be, suppose x equal to a, this is y equal to a, and suppose y x equal to b, so suppose y dash equal to b. This is the mixed boundary condition. It is a mixed boundary condition. So therefore we can say, because it is a 2-point boundary value problem, so therefore we need two conditions. First condition is at the point A and the second condition is at the point B. So here it means the given conditions are at the end points. So therefore this boundary value problem is 2-point boundary value problem. The function f y x y dash may be linear or non-linear. This function may be linear or non-linear. This function may be linear or non-linear. Function, this is f x y, this is y dash, is it may be linear or non-linear. This is the most popular form of 2-point boundary value problem, where a and b are finite. A and b are finite numbers. A and b are finite numbers. A and b are finite number. The above boundary value problem has a unique solution. The above boundary value problem has a unique solution if for minus infinity is less than y dash is less than infinity, f of x, y dash is continuous, del f y and del f y dash exists and continuous, here y dash is dy by dx, and this is the y double dash is d2y by dx square. Here y dash denotes dy by dx and y double dash denotes d2y by dx square. So therefore the 2-point boundary value problem has a unique solution. For minus infinity is less than y dash is less than infinity. The function f x y dash is continuous. Del f by del y, comma del f by del y dash exists and continuous, and this is del f by del y is greater than 0, or this is del f by del y dash mod of del f by del y is less than omega, where omega is greater than or equal to 0. An example of 2-point boundary value problem is given by an example of 2-point boundary value problem is given by, this is d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy equals to r. This is the most popular form of the 2-point boundary value problem. Here p, q are functions of x and they may be constants. Furthermore, we know that there exists many numerical methods of solution of boundary value problems, but we will discuss in the next lecture about finite difference methods, shooting methods, and numerical methods. These are the most popular numerical methods for solving the boundary value problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.